morning students, welcome to our channel Math Study. Today we are going to see trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, now we will see first of all the definition of complementary angles. Now in the previous standards we have seen that the angles whose sum is 90 degree, those angles are said to be complements of each other or complementary angles. Now we will see what type of complementary angles or how the complementary angles are present in a right angled triangle. For example, let us draw a triangle in this way. Let it PQR. Now this is 90 degree angle. Now as we know, angle P, angle Q and angle R, sum of these three angles is obviously 180 degree. So out of those, if you take out this angle Q separately, it means that angle P and angle R is equals to 90 degree. So in this way, angle P and angle R are the supplements of each other. Now, for example, we have angle P, angle Q and angle R is equals to 180 degree. Now, as we said earlier, this is angle P plus angle R is equals to 90 degree. So this 90 will go to that side and it gets subtracted. Okay. So this R is 90 minus P, or this P is 90 minus R. It means that if this is a 90 degree angle, so the measure of this angle, angle P, will be 90 minus R degrees, and angle R will be 90 minus P. Angle P is 90 minus R and angle R is 90 minus P. So in this way we have seen how the measurement comes. Now we will see how to measure them. For example, see, we will take sin P. Sin P means this angle. Sin is opposite QR upon hypotenuse PR. Okay. Then what is sin P? Sin P is nothing but, okay, we will take one more angle, sin R. Sin R means this angle, opposite PQ upon hypotenuse PR. In this way we have taken that. Now let us take cos P. What is cos P? Cos P is adjacent PQ hypotenuse PR. Adjacent PQ upon hypotenuse PR. Then let us take cos R. Cos R, adjacent QR upon hypotenuse PR. Adjacent cos R, we are taking QR upon PR. Now for P we have taken sin P cos P. For R we have taken cos R sin R. Now if you see, sin P and cos R are identical. QR by PR, QR by PR. Then sin R and cos P, they are identical. PQ upon PR, PQ upon PR. Now if you see it in this way, sin P, what is sin P? P is 90 minus R. So you can write down sin 90 minus R, and sin P is equal to cos R. So it is equal to cos R. So cos R is equal to sin 90 minus R, or if you replace R by theta, you can see cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. Similarly, sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Sec theta is equal to cosec 90 minus theta. Cosec theta is equal to sec 90 minus theta. In this way, the formulae for the complementary angle forms, and we have to solve the exercise on the basis of this formula. This is just a demonstration. I have just given you a demonstration how the formulae comes, and we have taken a brief introduction of complementary angles also. Okay, now we will begin the exercise. Okay, see, I have written 3 different questions here, and we have to see how to evaluate that question. Okay, now if you observe these questions, you will find that the pair of angles given, normally they are the complements of each other. For example, 1872, here we need 48, 42, 90, 26, 64, 90, then 18 and 72, their sum is also 90. Now how to solve them? See, the first question I am solving here. Now, sine 18 degrees, okay, denominator is cos 72. Now 72 can be written as 90 minus 18, 90 minus 18, because 90 minus 18 is 72. So you may write 8, or in place of it you may write 4 plus 4, you may write 5 plus 3. Okay, या तो आप 72 लिखो या आप 19 minus 18 लिखो, एक ही बात है, one and the same thing. So okay, in this way it happened. Then sin 18, अब आपका फॉर्मूला क्या है? आप बोलते हो कि sin 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta हमारा है sin theta. That is our formula. Cos 90 minus theta sin theta, cos 90 minus theta sin theta, cos 90 minus 18 sin 18. So cos 90 minus 18 is sin 18. So instead of cos 90 minus 18, we may put sin 18. So sin 18 upon sin 18, 1. Simple. Okay. Now see, next question. Now see, tan 26, you may convert the numerator also. Here we have converted cos theta into sin theta. Now we will convert the numerator, tan 26. See, tan 26 can be written as tan 90 minus 64. Denominator is cos 64. 64 cos 64 is as it is. 26 कैसे लिखा मैंने? 26 कैसे लिखा? 90 minus 64. What is the answer of 90 minus 64? Obviously 26. So we have to apply the formula. Tan 90 minus theta, cot theta. Tan 90 minus theta, cot theta. Tan 90 minus 64, cot 64. So instead of tan 90 minus 64, we will write down cot 64. Upon here we have cot 64. Cot 64 upon 64 gives 0. 1. So easy it is. 1. Now these two problems are related with the ratio. Here we have a different question, but the procedure is same. Cos 48. Cos 48 can be written as cos 90 minus 42. What is the answer of 90 minus 42? 90 minus 42 is 48. So it is nothing but cos 48, but we have written it in the different way. अलग तरह से लिखा है. Minus sin 42. Cos 90 minus theta sin theta. Cos 90 minus 42 sin 42 minus sin 42 gives you 0. You may convert sin 42 into cos 48. आप sin 42 को भी change करके cos 48 बना सकते हैं. तो cos 48 minus cos 48 in this case will be, in that case will be again 0. So in this way we have solved these 3 questions. Simple questions, may be asked in the exam for 2 marks. Okay, you may copy down the questions. Okay, this is slightly a different question. Here we have to show tan 48 degrees, tan 23 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 67 degrees is equals to 1. Now see the angles 48, 42, 48, 42. They are complementary angles. Their sum is 90. 67, 23. Their sum is also 90. So they are also complementary angles. Now we will take this side, left hand side, this side, and जो complementary angles है उनको करीब करीब लिखेंगे. Okay? For example, tan 48 into tan 42 into tan 23 into tan 67. ये हो गए. अब see tan 48 as it is, tan 42 can be written as tan 90 minus 48. tan जैसे का वैसे ही रखा है. फिर से कंफ्यूजन नहीं आना चाहिए. सिर्फ मैंने 42 को बदल के 90 माइनस 48 लिखा, क्योंकि 90 माइनस 48 का आंसर 42 ही आता है. देन आपका tan 23 आप ऐसे ही लिखिए, और tan 67 को बदल के आप 90 माइनस 23 कीजिए. थोड़ा चेक भी कर सकते हैं आपकी 90 माइनस 23 67 है या नहीं. यस, दे आर द कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स. नाउ सी tan 48 हमारा फॉर्मूला है टेक्स्ट बुक में भी, tan 90 माइनस थीटा कॉट थीटा, tan 90 माइनस 48 कॉट 48. सो इसकी जगह पे आएंगे कॉट 48. tan 23 as it is, tan 90 minus theta is again cot theta, tan 90 minus 23 cot 23. Now tan 48 into cot theta 1 by tan theta. What is cot? Cot is 1 by tan. So in this way, tan 23 into, what is the meaning of cot? 1 by tan. Tan cot theta 1 by tan theta. Cot 23 1 by tan 23. Just cancel them. You will get 1, and this is nothing but your right hand side. This is what you have to show. Okay. Now here one more formula is there. Tan theta into cot theta is 1. If the theta is same, tan 20 into cot 20 1. Tan 90 cot 90 means if the theta is same and the cot ratio and tan ratio multiplication is always 1. You may check it in this way. Tan is opposite upon adjacent into cot is adjacent upon opposite. So obviously the answer will be 1. Here you can apply that formula also. Tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. I did it in different way. So this is the solution. Okay. Okay students, see, this is the important question from the exam point of view. Here, if tan 2a is equals to cot a minus 18, okay, and 2a is an acute angle means less than 90, we have to find the value of a. This question is also easy. We will see how to solve it. Okay, see, tan 2a, we have given tan 2a is equals to cot a minus 18. Now we know the formula, tan theta is cot 90 minus theta. Our formula is tan theta is equals to cot 90 minus theta. This is our formula. If you replace the theta by 2a, so in place of tan 2a you can put cot 90 minus 2a. So in this way, tan 2a is equals to cot 90 minus 2a. This is a simple step. Is equals to, as it is, cot a minus 18. Now cot of this angle is equal to cot of another angle. Means the cot ratio of these two angles, दोनों रेशो के, दोनों एंगल्स के cot रेशो अगर इक्वल है, इसका मतलब है वो एंगल्स इक्वल है. ठीक है. यहाँ पर कोई भी ये गलती नहीं करेगा. ये चीज हम यहाँ पर नहीं कर रहे हैं. दिस इज नॉट द केस. ये ऐसा नहीं है cot into that bracket. नहीं, हम कॉट कैंसिल नहीं कर रहे। यहाँ पे क्या स्ट्रेटेजी है, क्या कंसेप्ट है हमारी, कि अगर cot ratio of this angle is equal to cot ratio of the another angle, it means those two angles are congruent. It means 90 minus 2a is equal to a minus 18. So simply solve it. 90 minus 18 will become plus 18, a plus 2a. Okay, you got 3a is equals to 108, a is equals to 3 3s are 9, 3 6 are 18. A is equals to 36 degrees. You have to see which formula you have mentioned. You have to mention the formula also in this way. So it's simple solution. Okay, A is equals to 36 degrees. Okay, write down that. Students, we have written one more question. See how the question is. If tan A is equal to cot B, tan A is equal to cot B, and we have to prove that sum of A plus B is equals to 90 degree. Now, there is also one more easy questions. Tan A, see, tan A is equal to cot B. Now tan A can be written as cot 90 minus A is equal to cot B. Tan theta cot 90 minus theta, tan A cot 90 minus A, इसलिए tan A की जगह पे हमने लिखा cot 90 minus A. फिर से वही चीज यहाँ पे, cot ratio of this angle is equal to cot ratio of another angle. It means angles are equal. So 90 minus A is equal to this angle B. 90 is equal to minus A will go to that side. A plus B is equal to 90. Such a small question. Okay. देखिए बच्चों, यहाँ पे हमारा क्वेश्चन क्या है. If A, B and C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that sin B plus C by 2 is equal to cos A by 2. That is our question. Now we will begin. तो हमें क्या दिया गया है, sin B plus C by 2. इसे हम सॉल्व करेंगे सबसे पहले तो, और इसे हमें इक्वल दिखाना है cos A by 2 से. नाउ sin B plus C by 2, सबसे पहले sin थीटा इज cos 90 माइनस थीटा. ठीक है, तो फिर यहाँ पे आएगा cos 90 माइनस B plus C by 2. कैसे हुआ, व्हाट इज थीटा, थीटा है आपका B plus C by 2. सो सिंपली B plus C by 2, B plus C by 2 क्या है, एक एंगल है. सो साइन थीटा इज cos 90 माइनस थीटा, तो B plus C by 2 cos 90 माइनस B plus C by 2. नाउ cos 2 into 90, you got 180 minus B plus C by 2 in this way. Now see, क्वेश्चन में ये बोला गया है कि ए बी सी इंटीरियर एंगल है. इसका मतलब है कि A प्लस बी प्लस सी ये है हमारा 180 डिग्री. ठीक है, अब इन दोनों को 180 डिग्रीज, दोनों को मैं इधर शिफ्ट करता हूँ ब्रैकेट को, इट विल बी B plus C. Now I will divide both the sides by 2. I divide this side by 2, I divide this side by 2. So 180 minus B plus C by 2, this whole term is equal to A by 2. So cos 180 minus B plus C by 2 is equals to A by 2. In this way, sin B plus C by 2 is equal to cos A by 2. This is what we have to prove in the question. So easy it is. Okay, these are the reasons. You may write down the reasons also on the right hand side. You may copy down the solution. Okay, this is our next question. See, first of all we have to see what the question is. What is asked in the question. Express sin 67 plus cos 75 in terms of trigonometric ratios between 0 and 45. यानी ये जो दो एंगल्स है 67 और 75 दे आर बियॉन्ड 45 से वो बड़े हैं, तो हमें इनको कैसे कन्वर्ट करना है, हमें इनको 0 से 45 के दरमियान इनके बीच में लाना है. ओके, सो हाउ इट बिकम्स, सी. अब सबसे पहले तो भाई साइन 67 प्लस कॉस 75 ये चीज़ें आपको दी हुई है. 67 को मैं ऐसे लिख सकता हूँ, साइन 90 minus 23. 67 can be written as 90 minus 23 because 90 minus 23 is nothing but 67. साथ ही साथ cos 75 को मैं ऐसा लिखूंगा 90 minus 15, क्योंकि 90 में से 15 निकाले तो 75 बचते. अब यहाँ पर अगर हम फॉर्मूले अप्लाई करें, साइन 90 माइनस थीटा कॉस थीटा, साइन 90 माइनस 23 कॉस 23, कॉस 90 माइनस थीटा साइन थीटा, सो कॉस 90 माइनस 15 साइन 15. अगर इसको साइन पहले लिखा जाए तो साइन 15 प्लस कॉस 23. देखिए हमने शुरुआत कहाँ से की थी, शुरुआत की थी साइन 67 कॉस 75 और एंड हम हो गए साइन 15 कॉस 23. यानी 67 75 जो एंगल है हमारे 15 23 बन गए, जो बिटवीन 0 एंड 45 है. ओके, ये दोनों नंबर 0 और 45 के बीच में आते हैं. सो इजी. सो स्टूडेंट्स, इस एक्सरसाइज में हमने ये कोशिश की है कि रिपीटेड क्वेश्चंस ना लिए जाए, और इस पूरे वीडियो लेक्चर में हमने प्रैक्टिस सेट 8 पॉइंट या एक ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक रेशियोज का कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री का लगभग कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स का एक पूरा प्रॉब्लम सेट, एक पूरी एक्सरसाइज हमने ख़त्म की है. ओके, तो जो भी क्वेश्चंस छूटे हैं यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस देम, यू विल हैव टू सॉल्व देम योरसेल्फ इंडिविजुअली. ओके, अगर कोई भी दिक्कत आपको आती है तो आप मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में बता सकते हैं. ओके, सो हियर वी विल स्टॉप नाउ. ओके, आई रिक्वेस्ट ऑल स्टूडेंट्स टू सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल so that you will get the notifications of the new videos. Okay, in the upcoming video we are going to begin the applications of trigonometry. Okay, before that we have one more topic left, so here we will stop now. Okay, thank you.